Alright, we're back at Pete's. So today is the day we're gonna hopefully get the dash out if we get time and we get that far. But yeah, he's starting with the first screws. He's worried. he doesn't think we're gonna get it back together again with how much has to come apart. So
but we do have Mike here, so
I've done it at least once before. So but I got my big light bar I just got a little while ago to help us out inside. It's pretty good, but if just so you know, it's wider than a Foxbody, so it won't even fit with the width of the hood, and the Foxbody hood is too narrow. You gotta have to have the light bar on an angle. I don't know if that's big, it's made for like F-150s or big trucks or something like that, but still a lot of light, still a lot of usable, which is just a little bit disappointing that I didn't check the specs first and measure for the car width. So yeah, so we're gonna start by unscrewing all the important stuff. I gotta take the console out, drop the steering column, and take it piece by piece. Alrighty, off to work we go. Hopefully next little clip you'll see us pulling the dash all out. Alright, what a mess. So we're gonna try, if we can, to wiggle this thing out of here without taking all the wires and everything out of the binnacle and the dash from the column. So this thing is not in here by much. So if I can take the weight off that thing, it'll just drop.
What? A little bit like that. See
what you can do. Can you lift up on the dash itself? There.
I might have to take that bracket off.
Well, where's John when you need him?
Yeah.
Hands. Yeah, we may want to take the brackets off at the top. This one gives us the room if you need it. Oh.
It's just getting caught on everything, isn't it? There we go. Voila.
Yeah.
One bit. Right, that's it, innit? Job done.
Well, I think taking those two brackets off now would be wise when we start shoehorning the other one in.
I think I might agree with that.
You can see this. They just smash the stud, cut the stud off, smash the heater core, smash the AC condenser. It's not light either. That's like, I don't know, maybe a good 15 pounds.
Hey?
Yeah, probably a good 15 pounds. It's not light. But alright, I'm gonna clean this mess up and dig the other one out. Alright, here's the dash that's going in. So it's surprisingly similar to the HVAC under the door with the condenser in it for the air conditioning, because the housing is here, but I guess they just do it a little different. I mean, still got the cutout for it, but it's just the stuff's just not in there. So we're stopping here because we need to get some parts. We are not doing a complete install for this without a new heater core. That would just be like suicide. So nobody's gonna do that. unless you're insane. So we transferred over the cable. This is the controls for the non-AC dash, and which is odd because we had to swap this vacuum tree around because this vacuum tree is got male ends on it, and the one that came on this that we bought, this where this came from, this end was female, and we had female connector go into a female connector and it just wasn't going to work. And we're like, what's going on? So, but surprising that this cable is the same on both dashes. It's just what it controls is a little different. So other than there's no electrical connections here for the AC. So this is the same as an AC dash, and this is the same for an AC dash. So I have some rubber butyl sealer that we're going to need to use for the heater core. We already checked the door operation. We checked the motor. We need to extend the wires because the guy we got this dash off cut the wires. So I got the connector. The connector's over there. But yeah, everything's all set and ready. Just gonna heater core it up. We're also gonna get the lines, the curly Q ones that are gonna go to the metal tube on the intake. I have a spare metal tube that I'm gonna weld up the little nipple on it that goes to the EGR cooler. So we're gonna delete that feature, but it should be a clean install, and we'll have a blower motor and some heat. So
that'd be nice.
Well, John, where you at? So, but it's interesting because this is the heater core doesn't look bad that came out of here, but there's no way that we're going to risk using it. So, and you can see that if you order them, there's the different heater cores for non-AC versus AC. And this is an original Ford one. The thing is heavy, and but it's got like twice the amount of fins as this one does. I don't know if this is an original or not, but this is the one that came out of his dash, so I can't imagine it's not. But I'm just not sure if the non-AC dashes have a more densely packed heater core than the AC dashes do. But I guess they go like this. Other than when they smash the tubes off, they're probably the same. Probably each fit in their spot, but oh well, so it's gonna be. So hang on to that for maybe the knobs are still nice, the switches, but other than that, just got a big hole in the dash, and we'll have to fill it up here soon. Hopefully, we'll be able to fish the heater box back in with the tubes from the heater core sticking out, or else we're gonna have to do a lot more work to fish this dash away a little bit further away from the firewall. So, all right, pull down the big light, and guess we'll see you again in the next video.
Yep.